What's up, my country people? How na dey? I don't carry another better update carry come. So today I want make we review this platform within they call FunTv. So I don't dey see so many people they talk about this platform. I go this site FunTv. I go this site. In fact, if you go YouTube now and go search for FunTv, you go see say now one of the most talk about platforms recently na be that. So I say what did they happen? Make I come here, come talk about this platform, make we see as in day if in dey okay or in no dey okay. I go share my opinion for this particular video, and if you say if you get your opinion, make you no forget to share and for comment section. So if you want to see how this platform they work, make you calm down, make you watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you dey see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Yeah, they come here, come they share any update where I don't try or any update where I won't try, or come here, come talk about them to my country people. Make we see if in dey okay, I be no dey okay, I be a waste of time. So if you want to collect better update from my hand, make sure you like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you go to collect better update from my hand. I beg, make you not forget to comment where they watch this video from for comment section. So waiting we go talk about today be say I go tell you now waiting be FunTv. We go talk about how FunTv they work. We go talk about their earning potential, and I go come here and share and the pros and the cons waiting I think about the platform. I go share my own opinion. That's why this one no be tutorial, this one na my review. And then they drop tutorial here and a review at the drop here. If you want to see my tutorials, make you check my cirrden account, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv, or make you join my Telegram community or my WhatsApp community. Different people don't do different videos about this particular platform here for YouTube. But waiting be this FunTv. FunTv now one app like that we come out recently, and this app on talk say if you use their platform they watch movies, dramas, all these Chinese dramas, Korean dramas, Japanese dramas, and you enjoy yourself, they say they reward you as you they spend more time on their platform. They watch all these dramas. Okay, they think can make sense, but the main question now can be say why they won't reward you, make you they watch dramas on their platform. These people then they make money from ad revenue. We be say if you shift body for this platform, ads just they flow everywhere. And waiting I don't notice be that about the platform. 4.1 stars review, over 1,000 review on Google Play Store, over 100,000 downloads on Google Play Store. They launched this app on the 30th of June 2025. So it's few months ago. 30th of June 2025, just a few months ago. So many people never to sabi this app yet, so now it make the app never to dey popular. They say the first thing not to sign up, so now the first way they talk now be that. So if you sign up here with your Google account, your Facebook account, or something like that, me I don't sign up my account though. For people who want to see how this update day, make you check I go drop them for comment section for you, or if you check the description for people who want to see how this update day. If you like something and you can't like them, if you no like them and you can't like them. Just like waiting I tell you, if you check their home screen here, you go see say they get different dramas here. This one kind of like Chili, but I go do another video. I go compare this platform and Chili. Waiting be the difference between this platform and Chili. But if you want to see that particular video, make you comment Chili for comment section. I go do another video about Chili and this one. I go compare the both of them. Make we see whether Chili better pass this one or this one better pass Chili's. The only thing we can be saying that their language within they use, but they get subtitles. So if na person we know they like read subtitles, go get some more issue. Now their language within they use for the drama. I can just click on this one for example, and once I click on that one, you go see say the thing go they play. What you go call notice be say as the thing they play like that, in the right corner you go see say coins they enter. Now another thing I don't notice be that the coins just they enter. You go say make you can go claim the coin. This one now free. So it be like say you get the one way if you want watch them, you need to pay money from episode 1 to episode 30 and a free drama. See as they say claim, they say make I claim the coin this year. Another thing here they get small tax, and another thing where they can't get in their invite. So now this invite can't be like say now waiting con they give people money be this because this invite can't get money. So say this thing now you go they watch drama and na free. So they say make you copy your invite code, they invite people. So people will come to this platform can they watch drama, they say they go reward you. So now waiting where they talk with that. For their withdrawal here, waiting I don't notice be say they get their minimum withdrawal here will be $5, then get $15, then get 50. We can get up to 5 million coin before you reach $5 withdrawal. 1 million coin na $1, 2 million coin na $2, 3 million coin na $3, and then get up to 50 million coin na $15, 100 million coin na $100, and 300 million coin na $300. Wetin be the things wey I like and the things wey I don't like about this platform? Now, the first thing what I like about this platform be say na entertainment. So people like entertainment. So even if you no want money, if you just come here, come they entertain yourself, they watch drama. All these people they like Z-World, all these Korean movies. So if you just come here, come entertain yourself, just to watch movies and enjoy yourself. Second thing I can like now their reward feature where be say they even come they reward you as they come they use their platform here. They entertain yourself. Another thing what I can't like be say their payout threshold now $5. Another thing what I can't like be say the platform here in they very easy to understand. So any new person fi just sign up and use them very easily. So what be the things what I don't like about the platform? First thing I no can like be say for this platform, even if you know they do anything, art go just they pop up. Coins where then they pay from the videos where they watch or from the dramas where they watch. Before you go get the minimum payout, it go take you a long time. 5 million coin now be $5. Until they collect like 2,000 coin per drama be 1,000 coin. Another thing I no can like be say their withdrawal method. I think they only have one withdrawal method, which is PayPal. That's another thing because PayPal no they available for Nigerians or for every Nigerians. Now at least some Nigerians get PayPal, very few, and then get PayPal account for this particular country. I go try this platform in case I finally get some more thing from my account and I won't come out time. I go come to another video later and I know say I get some more or I don't come out some more or say I seen this. Don't forget say if you get some more thing for your account and you won't come out this small thing for your account and you no can get PayPal account because now while be that Nigerians know they use PayPal except to send and know they use receive. So waiting I tell my community members be say if you get small thing for your account and you no can get PayPal to use come out the small thing, make you join my community for WhatsApp or Telegram. I go fit help you collect the small thing. Tell me what you think for comment section. You don't use this platform, you don't come out small thing, how they update day in the okay, I be no day okay. Just share your opinion for comment section. I go see you now for my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.